Good morning, YouTube. Is the Neo 2 an ADV game changer? You're going to find out. The flight package that I got comes with a drone, a controller, an additional 2 batteries, and a 2-way charging hub. Spare propellers. We're going to test portability and setup times, tracking and following modes, wind resistance and stability, battery life and endurance, the video quality, durability. Alright, so number one, portability and setup. This drone is super portable. It will fit in pretty much any tank bag that you got. You got the batteries and the drone. That's all you need. Now we're going to test how fast we can get it out and going. You take it out of the tank bag. Take off the protective cover. Turn it on. Select the mode. And then I'm trying to call it back. Comes back right to my hand. Turn it off. Recover the front lens. And pack it up. So it's about 20 to 30 seconds of setup time. Here you can see I'm going to try to attempt to do it with motorcycle gloves on. Take the lens off, start it up again. Really wanted to see if it could work. Coming back to my hand, as you can see, the drone kind of freaks out. I keep trying it again, another time, and it's just not recognizing my hand. Move it around a little bit, it doesn't see my hand at all. So that part's a bummer, it doesn't work with the gloves. And so I take off my glove, stick my hand out, and then it comes right out to my hand. So you need to have your bare hands out. Next up is tracking in flight modes. Cut to a scene that I did yesterday. Let's see, let's make it go behind. Okay, so now it knows it's behind us. Is that fast enough? I think 1 like 15. Let's try this again. Yeah. Alright, let's see how it does navigating. If it works with this, it'll work doing anything. Yeah, I don't know about this. We'll see. Still following me? Fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Let's see about this part. It might hit that tree. Oh, nice. What about this part? Lots of shit to juke. No way. Holy shit.
Wow. How it hit that tree over there. See if it can get me doing this. Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna have fun with this. It's fucking tracking me pretty damn good. Now maybe it was the sun with it. Let's fucking flip a Yui right here. That's awesome. Alright, we got like half battery. Let's see here. This little spot right here. Oh yeah, this is tight as hell. Very tight. It's gotta follow me very closely. Yeah. See if I could turn around. Fuck yeah. Oh, this is tight. Nice. Wow. Okay. Let's see, can I do the hand? Maybe it thinks my head. No fucking way. Let's do it from the... No way! Okay, alright. This is fucking cool. Alright, ready? I can hear it! Oh my god! Oh, hit the tree! Oh!
As you can see, the Neo 2 took a crash. The first crash came into the tree sideways, was looking at me. And then the second crash was more head on, but it just hit some branches, no damage. The durability of the Neo 2, it seems to be holding up. The whole chassis is like flexible plastic, so it can bang into trees and stuff and not shatter. It's got these cameras on the bottom and the top that I would worry about. They're not covered by anything. And those, if your drone lands in a bush, it could hit a lot of sticks on that lens. And same with the gimbal when it's exposed. It's just out there. The Neo 2 in high winds, not very good. We went up on a hill and it was like 10-mile-an-hour winds. And this thing was hanging in sideways. The camera did pick it up. It would just move around weirdly, come close to me when it wasn't supposed to move. It'd move on its own, basically. And so if you're on top of a mountain and it's any windier than that, I would not take it out. You're going to lose your drone. If you are in windy conditions, you want to put it in sport mode. The different tracking modes that I tried: selfie shot, dolly zoom, boomerang, circle, rocket, cyclone. As you can see, the DJI Neo 2 is a very versatile option for the ADV community. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be making more videos using the DJI Neo 2. Peace.